Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can earn the rewards and how to see and complete available weekly quests on EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video is for the beginner or new into this game that are still confused about this new feature, because this game is FIFA Mobile previously and now become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I want to show you how you can earn more rewards in this game. Tap the quest button, and as you can see there are some daily quests here that you can get, and you can save daily point, and also you can get some progress. If you get 100 point, you can also get game gem, star pass credit, also experience. And also there are some daily quests in from the founder or welcome point here, and if you complete this all you can get these rewards. And also this is the weekly quest also. If you complete this you can also get this reward. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. Enjoy the game.